What's up, Destiny family? You already know who it is, the one and only Quita, aka SQ the Truth. Checking in, bringing back Destiny news. Bishop ain't even expect this, so the look on his face probably priceless right now, cause he probably ain't know I was about to do one of these. But I guess it's my job to welcome everybody to Destiny and thank y'all for coming out each and every Sunday. Your loyalty means so much. To our newest members, our visitors, everybody, we are greatly appreciative of everything that you do and to see your face each and every Sunday morning, even to those, as Bishop say, that go out on Saturday nights. But that's neither here or there. But each and every Tuesday, 7:15, right here at Destiny Worship Center, we have Bible study live with the bishop. He comes in, give you life messages, something quick, simple, and to the point, something that you can take home, learn, and take it back with you. 7:15 Tuesday nights, right here at Destiny Bible study. Each and every Thursday night, 7:15. Log in to www.bishopalfonsosmith.com for real talk with our bishop himself. If you've been missing out, you definitely you losing, cause Thursday nights he give it to you straight, no sugarcoating, nothing. You can ask questions, you can put in a fake name and pretend to be somebody that you're not, and ask something that you really want to know. Everything you says, is real. Everything about it is real. Bishop gives it to you straight. Real talk with the bishop each and every Thursday night, 7:15. BishopAlfonsoSmith.com. This Friday, February 24th, DWC proudly presents our first swag bash of the year. Swag me out. And of course, it's to raise money for the basketball team. The youth really adamant about playing and starting a team here at the church. So with you guys' help and support, we want to do a party to raise money to get uniforms. It's free for the first 20 people and $2 all night long after that. But we don't know how long that $2 thing gonna last, because if it start to get packed, we gonna up the price just a little bit. But it's gonna be real. It's gonna be a real good turnout. We got some high school and college performances. We got a lot of special guests stopping through, and of course, yours truly will be hosting and DJing the party. So it's something you definitely don't want to miss. If you definitely support the youth like you should, like you say, then I need you to have your face in the place this Friday, February 24th. Swag me out right here at DWC. Make sure you come back next Sunday as well. Like I said, each and every Tuesday, 7:15, right here, Bible study. Thursday, www.bishopalfonsosmith.com, 7:15, Real Talk with the Bishop. This Friday, February 24th, swag me out. Raise money for the youth, and each and every Sunday. You already know what it is, you know where to be, and you know what we serve. In the words of our bishop, peace.